Ever slip into a shirt or a pair of trousers that seem to hug you in just the right places, and suddenly the world seems to take notice? It's not magic, it's the power of a good fit. Understanding the proper fit is the first step to unlocking the secret. A well-fitted shirt, for instance, doesn't billow around your waist or strangle your arms. The shoulder seams sit perfectly on your shoulders, and the sleeves end just past your wrist bone. Trousers, on the other hand, should drape smoothly over your legs, with the hem resting lightly on your shoes. And a jacket. The shoulders are everything. If they fit, chances are everything else will too. But what if your clothes aren't playing by these rules? Enter the tailor. A skilled tailor can transform an off-the-rack garment into a piece that looks custom-made for you. Whether it's a shirt that needs to be taken in, trousers that need to be shortened, or a jacket that requires a tweak on the shoulders, a tailor can work wonders. Finding a good tailor, however, is a journey in itself. Start by asking around. Friends, family, even colleagues may have recommendations. Online reviews can also provide insights. Once you've found a potential candidate, schedule a consultation. Remember, clear communication is key. Discuss your expectations openly, and don't hesitate to ask for advice. While tailoring can seem like an additional cost, it's an investment in your style. Focus on key pieces first, those that you wear often or for special occasions. Common alterations like hemming pants, adjusting shirt sleeves, or tapering trousers can make a significant difference. So, take a look at your wardrobe. Do your clothes make you feel like the best version of yourself? If not, maybe it's time to find a tailor and experience the transformative power of a good fit. After all, when it comes to style, it's not just about what you wear, but how it fits.